I picked up this painting sometime last year because it reminded me of one of my favorite shows, Bridgerton. I was pleased with the purchase because I was able to negotiate the price down. It has a number of large rips in the canvas, you can't see here, and it was covered in a thick layer of aged varnish, which obscured all the delicate colorations. So I hope you'll join me on this journey as I uncover scenes from our past as seen through the eyes of a Regency-era artist. So sit back with a cup of your favorite tea, get comfy, and enjoy watching this painting come to glorious life.